Training Sdn Bhd is an approved training provider by HRDF in Malaysia. It offers variety of programs ranges from human resource management, business management, accounting and finance, operations and logistics, English writing and communication skills to meet various working professions. They constantly reviews and updates its programs from time to time to meet industry training needs. Business has been growing steadily since its incorporation in year 2000 as shown in the chart based on data extracted from financial management report. The training industry in Malaysia is rather attractive, but it is relatively competitive. As the key player in training industry, Training team aware that they should not only offer training courses to cater for the industry, but to build return customers, and brand loyalty is the top foremost effort for the business to stay viable. Therefore, Training needs to have a strong and reliable customer relationship management CRM system in their business operation in line with business growth. The following reports will elaborate in details of the information and communication technology, infrastructure, levels of user satisfaction of the current information system, impact of the information system towards individuals and organizations, and issue on the future plan for ICT and IS.
For ICT infrastructure, Training has a strong and well-established network connection designed for the company. This company is using client-server architecture to enable sharing of information and provide centralized support for all departments. Let's have a look at the diagram. A few information systems have been used in Training to support their business operations. For example, customer service department using the NCH Reflex CRM to update their customers and training details. Benchmark email marketing is the key marketing tool to promote upcoming training programs, while Quick Start is solely used for accounting purposes. As mentioned earlier, Training is using client-server architecture for the ICT infrastructure. From the diagram, each client user are interconnected as well as the centralized server, where all the database hosted. The required data will be retrieved from the server for analysis purpose and decision making. Let's talk about one of the examples. Like in sales forecasting, the number of billing being generated for a particular training program during a particular month will be useful for CST department to plan for coming training program. So what we can see is that although Training is using different information systems in each of the departments, however, they are systematically configured in order to perform efficiently in business strategy.
Our case study here, Training Sdn Bhd, actually they already acquired two of the system from web, which is the benchmark email marketing system, and the other one is NCH Reflect Customer Relationship Management CRM system. The other one is for the accounting purpose, which named Quick Start, and it is a totally customized in-house product developed by their own programmer. From the users in this company, they address that there are a few areas which they feel the IS should pay attention on to ensure the effectiveness of the successfulness of the implementation. The users highlights that accuracy, usefulness of the information, and the ability to behave in user-friendly manner is important. So our team basically have given them a survey form that has series of questions that covers the 5 key elements, which covers the content, accuracy, format, ease of use, and timeliness. This instrument is actually developed by the two famous researchers, namely William Dorr and Toxade, and it is known as end-user computing satisfaction. The survey result that we got from user who uses all this system, the most important part will be the benchmark email marketing system, that it has the highest score among the IS. It is almost hit full grading of 5 points on all the elements. From here, we know that the users experience a great amount of flexibility in using the system, and of course, it deserves high rating as it has been completely tested and proven by the experts. Our team feel that the CRM system of the organization should be getting more attention as it is a key tool an important tool that helps an organization for doing the customer retention project. Meanwhile, it also has to be a system that able to capture myriad interactions with customer, having sophisticated reporting tools, and the ability to link to the other major enterprise applications, for example, the knowledge management system, the KMS. For Quick Start system, is actually already adopted in this company since in the year of 2009. This system is actually used to perform accounting works such as invoicing, quotation, payment collections, credit control, and generating account statement. The next one is benchmark email system, and it's been using in this company since the year of 2010. Benchmark email system is actually an email marketing tools for the sending email newsletter to the subscribers of the latest training programs. NCH Reflect CRM system has been used since December 2012. This is a CRM tool that enables the business to track the customer relationship information, such as the customer preferences and event forecasts. Basically, information systems are creating a great impact for the organization, whereby it serves as a tool for the organization in converting the mass amount of data into a very useful information for decision making or for strategic planning purposes. A solid support is also provide a solid support in transforming the business and to make sure the business to remain competitive. So based on this, a qualitative and quantitative analysis has been conducted in getting the users' perceptions on the impact of on the IS towards the individual and as well for the organization using the instrument called Job Diagnostic Survey, which is developed by Heckman and Oldham. A certain weightage is gathered and measured in a basic which is basically based on the 5 components, namely the skills variety, task significance, task identity, autonomy, and feedback.
The future plan for the company will be to look into a comprehensive CRM system to manage end-to-end marketing solutions that should include tracking and manage clients' accounts, monitor a trail of activities, segment and analyze customer profiles efficiently, self-service portal and environmental approach, a platform for e-forum, e-learning enabled facility, and the ability to measure results. And next will be the knowledge management. Proactive knowledge management encourage free flow of ideas focusing on company objective and sharing of knowledge within organization. Most importantly, preserve valuable information. Next will be the social media. Social media has grown by leap and bound in the past decade. CRM in social media is believed to be the biggest money-making machinery, provided we continue to reach out to our customers. The young and adults are engaging more and more in social media. The question is, are we ready by then? Cloud computing is also another area that we should look into. Cloud computing is the use of resources in both hardware and software delivered as a service over the internet. The evolution of cloud computing over the past few years has charted a major advance in the history of computing. Moving forward, the next decade of cloud computing seems promising the new ways to collaborate everywhere and mobile device enabled. Imagine you do not need to maintain both hardware and software and leave the responsibility to the experienced vendors. Like utility, we only need to pay for what we use. Next may be the ability of 360-degree view of the customers, as we have already seen that today with the ability to embed Google Maps and the like in CRM.